Good evening, YouTube. Been a long time since I made a post. I figured I'd give everybody kind of an update as to what's been going on with the 340 DAC. It's been maybe a couple of years maybe since I posted, and of course, looking at the truck, a lot's changed. I think this year in 2024, we finally got the truck, you know, they're never finished, but I mean as close as we could possibly get to being finished. You know, full tore the thing apart, blew it apart because it was about 3 different oranges. Had it painted and I put it back together. Got the stripes on there, kind of a throw out to the 68 CUDA. I think everybody's kind of done the billboards and the AAR so much. Just to kind of remind everybody, the whole idea here was, you know, if Mopar came out with the Dakota in 71, there was like an RT version, what would it look like? So this is kind of my my rendition of that, right? Got the CUDA tips out back. You can see there, all right? Up top, we got those scoops. Now, those are actually off of a Demon, you can tell because of the little cutaway here, right? 344 barrel, right? Got seats out of Barracuda, 73 CUDA, right? Changed the interior all to black from that ugly, nasty red these trucks all came with. Got the tough wheel on there. I can't even begin to tell you how hard it was to change that. I think we used actually the can out of an Aspen and did a little bit of welding to get that on there. And then we get up front here and we can see we went a little bit overboard. Full 71 340, full stroker rebuild, fully forged, 418 cubic inches, 340/40 over with a 4-inch arm. Cam would be 248, 254 at 50. Trick flow intake, trick flow heads, 1.6 rockers, did up a whole electric fan, electric water pump, whole deal on this. 410 in the back, 8 3/4, all Mopar. Had a transmission built by A&A Transmission. Shout out to them. Truck shifts hard, shifts well. Anyway, that's what's been going on here. Finally got it out to the, went down to Norwalk, Ohio, Mopar week this year. Truck ran, I think it was a best of 11:15 at 100 and, yeah, 11:15.6 at 119.4. So, yeah, trucks works pretty good. Pretty happy with it. We also finished up kind of project Turkey Barn Duster here. You can see my brother's car. This thing was in a turkey barn forever. We tore it apart and rebuilt the motor, rebuilt the transmission. You can see we're still getting some of that to work. All right. So yeah, lots on the go, lots keeping us busy, and big shout out to everyone that's helped with these vehicles. Steve at George's Auto. Color Code Collision for the paint and whatnot. All family and friends that kind of chipped in. So I guess while I'm thinking of it, what else on this particular vehicle here? Yeah, I took a 750 Holley double pumper, took the base plate off, put an 850 base plate on it, kind of hogged it out, you know, get a few more mile an hour at the top end. Yeah, like 13 hours, probably 12, 13 hours in the modifications on that carb. Knife edging all the screws and whatnot. Just fun to mess around with some of this stuff. This is basically the stroker motor that Engine Masters built. A lot of information from that show went into this build. So I guess a big thanks to you know, Freiberger and the guys over on those shows. Been a big source of inspiration for finishing these projects. So anyway, that's kind of the update. Just wanted to touch base with everybody and say, hey. Over here we got kind of the next project. This is an untouched 360 from I think 78. This is going to get a Pro Charger on it. Right, we're gonna try some forced induction, get out of our comfort zone. And we got a 71 Demon that's going in. So anywho, signing off. Thanks so much. Hope to talk to everybody in the near future. Give you some updates.